Yo, welcome to the channel. So this isn't normal behaviour, in fairness. Usually you'll see me, I'm already on site and all the rest of it. So this is actually my day in the studio, is when, like I say, studio is still in construction, but I'm still able to work in here. So normally I will do all my editing, the videos, and we'll be doing things like our admin side of things and all that sort of stuff. But I've just had a phone call from a customer. They've got a slight leak underneath the sink, so I thought I'm just going to film it, going to take you with me, and we'll go and sort that out. A little bit of a day in the life of. Ultimately, the customers come first. They're closer to me than any of the rest of the lads, so you're going to jump in the van with me, and we're going to have a look at this job. If you're new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do. The link is in this corner down here. Make sure you turn that on. Turn your notifications on, and we generally put out a video at least once a week now since being able to work in here. So right, I'll just finish up what I'm doing and then we'll jump in the van. Right, so hopefully it shouldn't take too long. I've got a feeling I know what it is. The water meter was a little bit tight, so hopefully it shouldn't take too long. Fingers crossed, and then I'll be back doing what I'm supposed to be doing today. Right, so we're in the van. It will roughly take me 20 minutes to get to. It shouldn't take any longer. I had to go back into the studio to grab my book, because what always tends to happen is when I'm out and about, all of a sudden my phone will go and I don't have anything to write anything details down. It's really annoying, but yeah, 2 seconds and we're going to be on site. So we just turned up on site, so we're going to go and get some kit in and we're going to have a look and see what the actual issue is. Okay, so looking at this now, speaking to the client, we've got a leak they think is coming from this overflow that's coming down, but I've just seen on that pipe there you see that little drip there, so there's another one there which is for the outside tap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill that bowl up so we go past the overflow and just see what's going on, see if that's running out, and then we'll have a real good go over everything else, make sure that we don't have any more issues on there. But that's our first port of call. Right, so when the water is going up to your overflow, not necessarily actually pouring into it, just the splashing into that, it is running down the back. So underneath here, it's running down straight away. It's pretty clear that's one of the major issues. So what we're going to do, we're going to drain that out. We'll take that cover off. We'll find out what's going on, but clearly it's not sealed for some reason, whether that's the rubber's not, you know, it's been kinked or something like that. But yeah, so let's empty that. Okay, so we've took the seal out, and for some reason it just wasn't seated properly. Whether that's well, it's just one of those things that's just happened. So we've now brought the water level up, so it's actually going past. So it's using the overflow permanently, and we'll just have a look underneath here. So as you can see, that's fixed the issue. So I've been round, tightened all these up. Turn that off now. So I've been round, just nipped everything up, just making sure that everything's all sorted. So outside tap isolator, we took care of that now. And yeah, so we all should be good to go. Right, that's all sorted. So I'm going to get this back in the van. I'm just going to show you this bag actually, funnily enough. So, right, this bag is the Rogue PB 8.0 soldering bag, but I've turned it into almost like a jobbing bag because at the end of the day I don't use I don't do all that much plumbing, but I tend to find I carry everything that I need to do in there, and I just chuck it in, so it always lives in my van, and it's just so handy to have it that way. But yeah, I love it. And the quality on the Velocity bags are unreal. They're really, genuinely, like really good bags. So if you are in the market for a plumbing bag, and I think they actually do a jobbing bag as well. So. Right, that's me done, so let's get back in the van. Right, so as you gathered, we're back in the studio. These things happen. It's part and parcel of running the business, that I was the closest one to it and needed to go out straight away. So they called me less than an hour ago, and I went straight out to sort that out. Now, could it have been avoided? Possibly. So the gist of it is, what's actually happened is the seal. So where the overflow, the seal in one corner, for whatever reason, it just wasn't seating right. So I've had a good chat with the customer. They're fine, absolutely happy with it. It's one of those things, but that is part and parcel of trying to do the best for the clients. At all times, that is exactly what we're trying to do. So I thought I'd make a little video. That is the day in the life of how it goes from a day to day. So these things happen. It is what it is, and all those lovely sayings. So I better get cracking on doing what I actually was supposed to be doing today. So thanks for watching. I know it's a little bit of a random video, and hopefully you've enjoyed it nonetheless, and we shall see you on the next one. Take care.